Slip or trip and fall cases are what's referred to as a premise liability case. And what that means is that someone is injured on someone's premises, whether it's a business or a home or someone's dwelling, something along those lines. And these cases are very particular because the standard that we have to prove as attorneys in order to make a recovery is higher than a typical negligence case. And a negligence case such as a car accident, we just have to prove that someone did something wrong. Often the crash itself is sufficient. And a premise liability claim or a slip or trip and fall claim, we have to prove that the premises were unreasonably dangerous. And there's also other standards and thresholds that we have to be aware of in order to even just prove a claim. So premise liabilities can often be some of the most difficult claims to bring and be successful because of those legal standards that are higher than a typical negligence claim. We handle a lot of these claims and we know what to look for. We spend a thorough amount of time investigating the premises, taking pictures. Often we send out experts to measure and find out exactly what is wrong with the premise that caused the injury. And doing that due diligence on the front end makes it so much easier when it comes time to settle the claim once we have a full understanding of the client's injuries. On premise liability claims, we're often dealing with homeowners insurance or commercial insurance. Policies can be different and they have different policy limits than a typical auto insurance policy. So it's important to have an attorney to know how to best leverage these claims to make sure you're getting the most value possible from the injuries. On premise liability claims, we have to focus on three factors. We have to prove that the condition's unreasonably dangerous, that it wasn't open and obvious to the injured person. And we also have to prove that the owner should have known or did know of the hazard that caused the injuries. And it's really crucial to prove those three claims because otherwise you won't have a recovery.